Hello, welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare one of my favorite salads. I call it the super salad because it's got everything good for your body. It's going to start with quinoa. You know, quinoa is very rich in protein, but not many people know exactly how to cook it. I want to show you how I cook it, which many people have asked, oh, it's so delicious, how do you do it? The secret is toasting your quinoa first. I'm going to drop my quinoa and that's going to toast for a bit until it starts to pop, just like popcorn. And then you start smelling a really nice aroma coming from it. That's the point where you add the water. First, remove it from the fire. Let it just cool down a minute, because when you're going to add the water and it's still on the fire, the water is just going to be bubbling everywhere and making a big mess. Just a few seconds won't harm. Back on the fire, and that's going to cook until the water has evaporated. I always use equal parts of quinoa to water. I'm not putting any salt because the salt is going to come later on when it's mixed in the salad. Whilst my quinoa is cooking, I'm going to add the other ingredients. I've got my sweet roast potato and butternut squash, which the video you can find in the basics. Green spinach, tomato, cucumber, green onions. I have some avocado, and I have some grilled vegetables. I've got some grilled red sweet peppers, which I'm just gonna roughly chop, and I've got some aubergine, grilled aubergine. And how to grill the aubergine and the peppers you will find in the basics under grilled vegetables. And finally, I need more texture, walnuts. And my super pomegranates. I just love these. They're so rich in antioxidants and they're just so delicious. And that's the basics are ready for the salad. I'm just waiting for the quinoa, and then I'm going to show you the simple dressing. Mustard, so I'm just going to put like a teaspoon. Honey, around a teaspoon. Cider vinegar, just a little bit. And I've got here walnut oil. You can use olive oil or any oil you have, but this walnut oil just complements the crunch I have inside the salad. I'm gonna whisk that together. I'm gonna add some salt. And that's my dressing ready. The liquid has evaporated, it's done. Quinoa's cooled down. I'm just gonna add it to the salad. The dressing. I'm just gonna mix it. Season it a bit more. And here we go, my super salad. Perfect for a quick lunch, a barbecue. It's just delicious.